So we have welcome to Cooking with Beagle. Today we'll be cooking. We cut the little chicken breast into little pieces. Oh my goodness, they like chicken. So now we cut the fries. Shredded chicken. That was the maddest job. Now we have Coquito's favorite, a bit of flour. Now we just made the chicken nuggets. Should be quite easy. 2 nuggets. Oh, that. So we have so we got the chicken nuggets. So this is the chicken. It's not a fries, not a fries. Go get the chicken.
No, not the chicken, not the chicken.